guys, today I'm here with Beauty Forever Hair once more. So this is today's packaging. I opened the box. I'm seeing the wig. I also got a goodie bag. So before I get into the goodie bag, I got like a pair of wig caps with it. I also got, oh my gosh, these press-ons are nice. And then lastly, I got this elastic band branded Beauty Forever Hair. And that's everything in the box. So let's see what's in our goodie bag here. I got this, one more wig cap. I also got a pair of lashes. And finally, I got this brush. And that's everything in today's package. Okay, so I got this gorgeous body wave, 24-inch body wave lace front. So this one that we got from Beauty Forever Hair today has textured edges. So, you know, you see it looks super realistic, really nice. Love that. Textured edges just make like doing the whole edge look even better. And if you just want overall like a more natural looking vibe, yeah, the textured edge is definitely a go. So you got a very nice close-up look at that. Is really nice. We have a medium brown lace working with. It's a 13x4 lace front as well, as you can see, and extra like elastic band comes on the inside. If you want, you could also remove this. Yeah, so you could totally remove it like I just did. And also, and that would just offer more security, by the way. There are adjustable straps in the back as well. So you could go ahead and adjust it like you like. And I usually just cut off this back portion with the lace. But yeah, that's how we're looking, guys. That is how we're looking. I'm just going to go ahead now and jump on into installing this. It's very full, by the way, to the tip of the hair. The luster is very nice and natural looking. The waves feel really soft. You know, everything, it feels really soft. So I love that. So let's go ahead and jump on into installing this.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm doing the ball cap method today. Oh my gosh, I love these caps so much. Super thin. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on camera, but it's pretty thin. You can almost see all my braids properly, but it really helps with the meltdown even more. Like, I applied my olive oil spray. That's the fix-it spray, that is. That's what I used for my adhesive for the cap specifically today, even though I'm going to do a glue install. But you'll see further on when I incorporated glue. So as I'm cutting it here, you can see how thin it is. And that's what I love about these caps. And then I use some of my lace spray to camouflage the color of that so everything could match better. So once I'm done with that and everything dried down, I got my wig and I lined up everything with my hairline, and then I moved on in with my glue. I used the Erica J glue. You know, I've been using this glue a lot. And I actually only did 2 layers, and I just do very even layers. I ensure that everything is nicely distributed and super flat so that we don't have any bubbles or like lumps. That way, you know, because the glue area would be very obvious if you have a lot of bubbles and lumps. So you have to ensure to smooth it out properly. So, you know, I get my blow dryer, which is on cool air, and I have it just drying the area until it's clear. And then I go over the area with my comb to kind of just have everything sticking and laying as flat as possible. You can even go over this area with more cool air, so you could like accelerate the whole drying process as you see me doing here.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
So once I'm done with that, I then remove all the excess lace, and it's looking pretty good. You guys know I always go over any area that doesn't have enough glue, and I'll just apply more glue to the area so it can stick. and that's exactly what you see me doing here. I don't apply too much glue at the area because we want this to dry down quick, and it's just a small area. So once I do that, everything melts down really nicely. And I kind of just pulled out the textured edge so you guys can see like how natural that looks. So it's up to you if you want to go ahead and rock it as is, or if you want to apply product. So I'm happy that I could give you guys the option of like basically seeing how it looked before I applied any like product to it to like lay it flat. So you know, for all my girlies out there who want to do a wig but still want to have it looking super natural, this is an edge you can look into. Like they did it really nicely. So you know, I'm pleased with that. So after I showed you guys how that was looking, I'm pretty much moving on to forming my edges, and I just take my time and finish that. I only did my 2 swoops. I didn't leave out any in the center portion there, and you'll see in a few. And I just use some gel for this, and I said it in the initial portion of this video that with the textured edge, it kind of helps, like when you're creating your edges, it makes it like form out easier, if that makes any sense. Like, you know, as opposed to if it was straight, you'd have to probably use your curling iron or your flat iron, or you just have to spend more time forming it out. You see, because it's already curly and textured, it kind of just swoops effortlessly. So I love that with a textured edge. So once I'm done with that, I kind of just get my elastic band, and you know, this is the part where you really just let it sit and allow the edge to really melt down and look like, you know, it's growing from your scalp, like the hair is growing from your scalp. So I proceeded to doing a half up, half down style, and I got my hot comb to kind of just get the front portion there really flat. I used some of my wax stick to help with this, and yeah, it's pretty much nothing to it still. That's pretty much it. After doing this, I pretty much just went on into redefining the waves, because the waves look good straight out of the packaging. Like, they look really good, but I kind of wanted it in a different formation. I wanted more of a spiral like wave. So you'll see that further on down after I did my ponytail here. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It held the curl really well. That's something to note. Like, it held the curl really well. So I'm pleased with that.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep scoring. I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out,
soft. Absolutely love it. As you can see, the curl, the waves that it came with were really nice, really gorgeous, but I wanted to go ahead and give it a different kind of, you know, this big, nice, sexy kind of loose body wave vibe. It had more of a, like, it had a nice loose body wave, but it was more of this pattern, and I kind of wanted to give it more of, you know, that spirally kind of vibe. But either way, it's, you know, really nice, and, you know, I'm just giving it that zhuzh, so, you know, it can look bigger. But I love the messy wavy look. The movement is really nice. The luster is very, very natural looking. The hair is giving, okay? Beauty Forever did their thing. Yeah, so the curly edges, as you can see, yes, I did use some gel on that, but you see, it makes the edges like pop more. Like the textured edges definitely add a vibe. It looks super good. I love it. You know, working with a curly edge is actually, I'd say, easier than regular straight edge, because you have to put a little bit more effort into curling it and forming it out. While when you're working with a textured edge, if you decide to go ahead and do edges like this, it's easy to kind of form it out once you're using, like, you know, your spray or gel or mousse or whatever it is. It's easier to kind of form it in whichever direction you're trying to put it. So textured edge for the win. Love that. But yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications on this wig. So please go ahead, check that out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Shout out to Beauty Forever once more for sponsoring today's wig look. I am super, super, super happy with the look and the way it turned out. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Feelings, it's like